Hi Kickstarter, I'm Greg Holloway and I would like to introduce to you the MicroSlice Mini Laser Cutter and Engraver. MicroSlice uses the Arduino Uno for control and all the software used to guide the MicroSlice is open source.
Thank you Kickstarters for taking your time out to review the Laser Inc. Kickstarter campaign. I hope you found the machine interesting. We're really hoping to actually extend the functionality of the Shipoko to go beyond doing CNC work. The laser head actually adds very cool features, but by far the coolest functionality comes from the photo engraving that we've implemented. And the software ties everything together and makes it really happen. Please fund our campaign, make it a reality. We want to see the Shipoko be one of the most versatile machines on the market, and again, I appreciate your time.
Hi, I'm Judá Sher, founder of Syndrian Arts, and I've designed Kikori, an open source CNC gantry router. Say hello, Kikori. The Kikori is essentially a robot that can make a wide variety of fun and useful products out of wood, soft metals, and plastics. For example, I can use it to make a chair, a standing computer desk, a tablet stand, and a balisong screwdriver, all of which will be available as rewards for backing my project. The reason I'm doing this is to help promote domestic manufacturing. Since the Kikori is both open source and capable of making copies of itself, it also has the ability to modify itself, allowing it to adapt to all sorts of markets. My hope is that the Kikori will help bring manufacturing jobs back to your hometown. Now, the funding for this project will help me to develop a line of open source CNC machines that I will then sell as kits, along with other products made using CNC technology. If you're interested in helping me bring the means of production into garages everywhere, click the Back This Project button right there. And thanks for watching.